How to buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. Now, the process actually itself is quite simple and easy. However, I won't be able to show it to you here on detail due to the security issues, but here is what you can do. First thing, you want to open up your crypto wallet, your crypto.com application or the wallet. Once you do so, you'll get an interface like this, right? At the bottom, you'll find various options: the home, accounts, the logo, the track, and card. You want to tap on the crypto.com logo that you can see there on the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed to the list of menus. At the very bottom, you'll find the option that says buy and crypto wallet just above the cross icon. So you want to simply tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, you'll be able to see the list of cryptocurrencies available. You can select the particular cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. But before that, however, what you want to make sure is that you have funded your account already. At the top, you'll be able to see at the home page the balance that you have on your crypto there wallet. If you wish to fund your wallet, what you can do is you can head into card section and you can go ahead and add your card there so that you can use your card to buy it, or you can fund it using the fund option available on the application. I'll make a separate video on it. For this is how you can buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. If you wish to buy, simply head into the crypto logo there and then tap on buy and then select the Bitcoin from there, or else if you want to buy any other cryptocurrencies, you can select it from there. The Bitcoin will be available there as well, so simply tap on it and there you want to simply tap on buy. On the crypto detail page, you'll get buy, sell, and transfer options. Simply tap on buy, and once you tap on buy, it'll ask you to select the amount that you wish to buy and go ahead and add in the details and make the payment. So this way you can buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.